Hey everyone, I'm gonna be doing some flip through of this junk journal I made out of envelopes, and stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway of this journal and 2 more. So 3 people, 3 lucky winners are gonna get this sent to their address. All you have to do is subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, that's all you have to do. So here we go. This journal is based on an African goddess called YEMAYA. It's a bed sign for Cancer, and she's a water spirit. So I did a book based on her. She loves blue. And here we go. Let's open this. All right. Here's some beads, some tassels in here. It says, always choose adventure. All right, you ready? Here we go. This is the inside. This is what it looks like. Here's a pocket. And you can put whatever you like inside. Here is another pocket. And this is just there. I designed that. Here's a notepad. You can journal whatever you want to do. Pretty, isn't it? And this is a vintage playing card. I aged it using tea bag. I'm gonna do a video on that too, so stay tuned. All right, here's another pocket. It's an envelope. All right, okay, here's another one, and just a card. You can write on the back. Okay, here's another pocket as well. So, and here's another one, another pocket. And isn't she pretty? I love this. And you can also journal at the back. All right. Okay, that's the butterfly. Okay, here's another pocket as well, and this is a notebook. It's attached. This is it. It's so lovely. Alright. I did this drawing, just some nice Zentangle on the front page, and some nice, just put some, what do you call it, material scraps, and just sew them together and put some studs and glue it to the page. And I've coffee dyed this paper. It looks so pretty. I love it. Okay, here you can draw this and you see a full picture. And she's beautiful. There's also a tile here. Okay, it's a band. Okay, you can put whatever you want to put in here. All right, and there you go, just the book page. I did some watercolor doodles here. It looks so nice. And this is a puzzle page I got from a book of puzzles, and you can just solve it. What do you call it? Puzzles? Is it? Whatever. And I did some nice pretty stamping on this, and voila, she's beautiful. I sewed this and added some beads. It's nice. And same thing. All right, let's move on. And you attach it like that. Okay, let's close this. And here's the next page. Look at that. There's also a pocket, a tag, and you can just write on it. This is a card, it's a vintage card as well. I aged it using a tea bag, okay? It's nice. It's a pocket and another pocket. So many pockets. Here's another one. This is lovely. All right. More pockets. And this is like giving you more information about YEMAYA, the goddess, African goddess. It says YEMAYA is the great mother of all living things and the queen of the sea. So she's a water goddess, and she is nurturing, healing, and loving, an eternal mother. This is so cool. She's lovely. And here's another tag. I glued this picture to the back of a vintage card. All right, it's nice. It's a pocket. There's romance. Okay, and this is another, what you call it, notepad. You can write on it. You just did some stamping, and yeah, that's it. That's what we have. This is the back, and this is still YEMAYA. This is the African goddess. She's pretty. And here it says, never forget how capable you are. I love that quote. And that's it. So I'll be giving this and 2 more unique journals, junk journals, to 3 lucky subscribers. All you need to do is subscribe, comment, like, and share, and you're gonna get one sent to your address. Okay, here's a seashell. It's a pretty seashell, and I'm gonna put this back right there. And that's it. That is all for this channel. How to do this. Okay, give me a sec. All right, there you go. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and also comment. See you soon. Bye.